Tired of trading time for money? Here are 5 passive income ideas that are actually working in 2025. And the best part? You can start some of them with little to no money. Let's start simple. High-yield savings accounts now offer over 4% interest. It won't make you rich, but it's risk-free money for doing nothing. Try SoFi or Alibank. Own a piece of a company. Get paid regularly. Companies like Coca-Cola and AT&T have paid dividends for decades. Use apps like Robinhood or Fidelity to get started. Create once, sell forever. Think ebooks, Notion templates, or AI-generated graphics. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are booming right now. Share a product link, earn a commission when someone buys. You don't need a huge audience, just trust and consistency. Amazon Associates, Impact, and Digistore. 24 are great places to begin. Want real estate income without owning property? Platforms like Fundrise let you invest as little as $10 and earn monthly dividends from real estate portfolios. None of these will make you rich overnight, but stack them and your money will start working for you. Which idea are you starting with first? Like and follow for more smart money tips that actually work.